Welcome everyone to MiaSono and our 2-minute drill series. Today's topic, compression. How to use and when to use a compressor in your tracks. So, first what we're going to do is I'm going to explain to you how a compressor works. Here you can see on the compressor, you've got threshold, ratio, attack, release. The threshold is at what decibel point the compressor starts compressing that sound. The ratio is the ratio it's compressing it. Say if it goes, right now we got it set 4:1. So if it goes 4 decibels above, it's going to compress it down to 1 decibel. If it's 8, you're using an 8:1 ratio. If it's going 8 up, then it will compress it down to 1. Now your attack is how fast the compressor compresses the song, and the release is exactly the opposite. How fast it releases it back to normal. So threshold, ratio, how much it brings down, attack and release. There's your 4 things. Let's see it work in action. Alright, that's without compression. Now we'll add compression to it. See how the sound sounds a lot stronger and it pushes forward? Now let's do this and show you the compressor on the end product. Alright, first compressor off. Now compressor on. See those highs and stuff sound a lot crisper? And that, my friends, is how you use compression. Thank you for watching this 2-minute drill. If you like what you saw and heard, hit that subscribe button down there. Tick the little bell to get notified when we put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I'm Chaos from MiaSono. We'll see you next time.